Choosing the right windows for your New Orleans home is essential for comfort, energy efficiency, and storm protection. With the city's hot, humid climate and frequent storms, homeowners must carefully consider the type of windows that offer durability, style, and functionality. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, here's what you need to know to make the best choice for your New Orleans property. Consider energy efficiency for hot and humid weather. New Orleans experiences long, hot summers, making energy efficiency a top priority when choosing windows. The right windows help reduce cooling costs while maintaining indoor comfort. Look for the following energy-efficient features. Low E, low emissivity, glass. Reflects heat while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple pane glass. Reduces heat transfer and improves insulation. Argon or krypton gas-filled windows. Enhances insulation between panes. Energy Star certified windows. Ensure the highest efficiency standards. Installing energy-efficient windows can help reduce your electricity bills and improve your home's overall comfort level. Choose windows that withstand New Orleans storms. New Orleans is prone to hurricanes and heavy rain, so it's crucial to select impact-resistant windows that can withstand extreme weather. Consider hurricane-rated or impact-resistant glass. Helps prevent shattering from strong winds and flying debris. Reinforced window frames. Materials like aluminum and fiberglass provide extra strength. Proper sealing and waterproofing. Prevents water intrusion and moisture damage. Storm-resistant windows not only protect your home but can also lower your insurance premiums. Select the right window frame material. The material of your window frame affects durability, maintenance, and insulation. The best options for New Orleans include vinyl windows, affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture and warping. Fiberglass windows, highly durable, energy efficient, and resistant to weather damage. Aluminum windows, strong and modern but less insulating unless combined with thermal breaks. Wood windows, offers a classic look but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and warping. Composite windows, a mix of materials that provide excellent durability and insulation. For New Orleans climate, vinyl and fiberglass are often the best choices due to their weather resistance and low maintenance requirements. Find a window style that fits your home's architecture. New Orleans has a rich architectural history, from French Quarter cottages to modern homes. Choosing the right window style ensures your home maintains its character while offering modern functionality. Popular window styles in New Orleans include double-hung windows, a classic choice that allows for excellent ventilation. Casement windows. Hinged on the side, they provide great airflow and a tight seal against storms. Awning windows. Ideal for rainy weather, as they allow ventilation without letting water in. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that maximize natural light and scenic views. Shutter-compatible windows. Designed to work with traditional hurricane shutters for added protection. Choose a window style that enhances your home's aesthetics while providing the functionality you need. Prioritize noise reduction features. If you live near busy streets or entertainment areas, soundproof windows can improve your home's tranquility. Look for features such as laminated glass to absorb sound vibrations, multi-pane windows for better noise insulation, sealed frames and weather stripping to reduce outdoor noise intrusion. Noise-reducing windows allow you to enjoy city life without the unwanted sounds. Work with a trusted local window installation expert. Proper installation is just as important as choosing the right windows. Work with a trusted local window company that understands New Orleans climate and building codes. Ensure they offer licensed and insured professionals, hurricane-rated and Energy Star certified products, warranty coverage on materials and installation, local expertise on permits and regulation. A professional installation ensures that your windows perform as expected for years to come. Final thought. Choosing the best windows for your New Orleans home requires careful consideration of energy efficiency, storm protection, frame materials, window style, and noise reduction. Investing in the right windows enhances your home's comfort, reduces energy costs, and provides safety during extreme weather conditions. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a trusted local window specialist to explore the best options for your home. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and protected home for years to come.